Want your wine bottles to stand out with a premium, elegant look? Watch this. Meet the DCP-80Pro UV Cylinder Digital Printer, engineered specifically for flawless printing on cylindrical items. Effortless setup with a secure hold, no slipping, no hassle. Upload your design and start printing with a single tap. Powered by precision Epson i1600 printheads for stunning detail. Handles up to 12 mm height differences with ease, perfect for varied materials and curves. Delivers 360 degrees seamless wraparound prints with perfect alignment. Print a full bottle in just 2 minutes, speed meets perfection. Rich, vibrant colors and razor-sharp detail, even the tiniest text is crystal clear. From one-off custom jobs to large-scale production, it's built to handle it all. DCP-80Pro Cylinder Printer turns every wine bottle into a work of art.